Hello everyone, welcome back to this kitchen. Today I'm going to show you another exciting way to make clear lard oil right at home. This method is simple, fast and perfect. If you have ever wondered how people get that beautiful white creamy lard you see in stores, so grab your apron and let's dive right in. First thing first, we need some fresh pig fat. I've already cleaned mine behind the camera to save time. And as you can see, it is nice and ready. Now, we go ahead and cut the fat into smaller pieces. This helps the fat melt evenly and faster without burning. The goal here is to render the oil gently, not fry the fat. Next, I transfer the cut fat into a pot and place it over low heat. Patience is key here. Low and slow makes the oil clearer and clean. As it begins to cook, you will notice the first drop of golden oil slowly appearing at the bottom of the pot. That is your lard starting to release. Give it a gentle stir, just to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. If it burns, it can darken the oil, and we don't want that. We are going for that beautiful transparent white lard. At this stage, you have two options. Option 1, if you like your lard to have a mild aroma, you can add sliced ginger and garlic, just like I did. They help reduce any meaty smell and give the oil a pleasant natural fragrance. Option 2, but if you want a pure snow white lard, skip this step. No ginger, no garlic, just clean fat and slow heat. After cooking for a few more minutes, you will notice more oil coming out. It flows nicely now. At this point, start scooping out the oil into another clean pot. Don't wait for all the fat to finish cooking. The clearer oil comes out early, so scoop as you go. Then give it another stir and keep repeating this process. Cook gently, scoop, stir, and scoop again. Before you know it, you have collected a good amount of pure clear oil. Just look at that shine, clean, vibrant, and beautiful. Once you are done, allow it to cool down a bit. Then pour it into a storage container. If you want it to solidify quickly, you can place it in the freezer for a few minutes. And that is it. You've just made yourself clear homemade lard oil. Easy, fresh, and 100% natural. You can use this oil for cooking, frying, baking, or even cosmetics and soap making. It is versatile, affordable, and made with your own hands. You will love it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical DIY recipe right here on Udo's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.